Hey guys, and welcome to my video on how to add a domain into HighLevel. So you want to create a site basically, or a funnel. You've built it all out, made it all look pretty and everything like that, but now you need to add a domain. So this is the kind of the techie bit that you need to set up. Now obviously you're probably going to need to do a subdomain, which basically means you can't do it like www.themarketingtechguru.com. It'll have to be something like ask.themarketingtechguru.com or something like that. So this is just how you set it up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to settings. You're going to want to go to domain, and here you're going to want to add in a new domain. So you're going to want to put in your subdomain. So let's do something like that. So they can see, look, as you can see, as you write it in for ask in domain, so basically it means you're creating it's what's called a CNAME record. That basically means a subdomain, and you want to point that subdomain at Go HighLevel and this IP. So what we're going to do is we're just going to press add. Cool. So therefore there's nothing on the domain at the moment. So that's why we're going to go and add this on there. So it depends where your domain is hosted. A lot of people use GoDaddy. A lot of people have it on cloud-based servers like Cloudflare or cPanel, something like that. Or the domain is actually housed within WordPress. So mine, for the time being, is housed within WordPress, but it will be similar no matter what kind of domain agent you've got. So just to show you how it's done, so this is the back end of my site. To get to the domain section, if you're on domains inside WordPress, you go to upgrades and to domains. And as you can see, this is my primary domain here. And now you want to go and view settings, and then here is where you can see the DNS records. Now DNS records is where you want to find it. And I know it's very simple to find on GoDaddy, as it is on Cloudflare as well. If you've got your domain on Cloudflare, obviously you're pretty good anyway. So just to add it inside WordPress. So basically you've got your WordPress site, you've bought the domain through WordPress. This is where it's going to be. So I'm going to click on the DNS records and press manage. And this is kind of what's on there already. As you can see, it's pointing the domain at WordPress. So what we want to go and do is go and add a record. Okay. So this is what it looks like. We're going to pick CNAME, and then we're going to go back to HighLevel and copy and paste some things. So that's the name. Sorry, we're going to want to go and copy this for the CNAME. Flash.funnels. Might be different for you, might not be. All depends. But just copy whatever's here into the CNAME. Ignore this bit here because that's for an A record. I normally like doing a CNAME. It's a bit easier to see what's going on in your domain settings when you start to get a lot of records on there. So the host, you're going to want to put the start of the subdomain. So anything before the dot and your main domain, you put there. And then you want to point it to this, and you want to press add DNS record, and just double check it's there. So CNAME, ask, and it's pointing at Go HighLevel. Okay, and then we want to go back, and now we want to press add again. Perfect. You've added your domain to it, and now you can go and link domain with a funnel if you've got it. I did a video the other day on unsubscribe page, so obviously you can pop that on there, link domain, and then once that's linked, you can go back, and if you're going to create any more sites, it's going to be available for you. It's just to kind of show you how this works. So obviously the domain is now linked there. This is the path of the page. Go to steps. You can see that's the page. Also, if you go to settings, let's just take that off. Actually, let's just call it unsubscribe. Perfect. Let's call this. That's all good. Let's see what this looks like. If we just go out and look and see if it's working now. Just want to double check that. Sometimes it can take a while. Perfect. So that is now working under this link. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm just going to go and update my trigger link that I set up the other day. To that. So there it goes. Cool. And yeah, for those who haven't seen it, I did a video on how to set up an unsubscribe link and how to set up trigger links. So I'm just updating that because I put in I hadn't set up the domain yet. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you add your domain to HighLevel. It's very simple. It's just make sure that you have got a decent domain provider. Again, GoDaddy is very easy to use, and adding DNS records on there is very simple, just like it is inside WordPress. Okay, guys. Again, if you like this video and it helped you, please give it a like. If you're looking to get a bit more information on how to do this, maybe you've got a different domain provider, drop a comment and I'll try and help you as best I can. And again, yeah, if you are into marketing tech and you enjoy tutorials and things like this, then please subscribe to my channel, and we can get you help when you need it. Thanks again, guys. Cheers, and I'll see you later.